So let's talk about dividing a fraction by a whole number. And let's keep in mind that multiplication and division are friendly operations. They're opposite operations, or what we really in math call inverse operations. So let's say we have half a pound of chocolate, and we have a half a pound of chocolate, and we want to share that equally among our 3 friends. So we want to know how much chocolate will each person get. So now remember, we're starting with a half a pound of chocolate, and we are breaking that half a pound of chocolate into smaller pieces. So our number is going to be a smaller fraction than our 1/2. Now, let's also keep in mind that 1/2 divided by 3 could be seen as a multiplication problem of what times 3 would equal 1/2. Because, again, these are inverse operations. Just the same as I would use 2 times 3, 2 times 6 to find 12, I could do 12 divided by 6 and find 2. So this is just some thought to keep me grounded in whole numbers to understand my fractions. So let's think of a model of how we can represent our thinking. So here's our whole pound of chocolate. That's 1 whole pound of chocolate. And we want half of it. So we're going to choose a different pen color to mark off our half a pound of chocolate. So here's our 1/2. This is our 1/2. And we want to divide that chocolate into 3 parts so that we can share it with our friends. We have 3 of those. And so this section here is the 1 portion that each person will get. So out of my half of chocolate bar, I get this 1 piece right here, but I have to look at my whole to determine what fraction of the whole that is. And that is equal to 1/6. So then I can check to see, is that true? And 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, which would be 1/6 times 3, does in fact equal 3/6, which is equal to 1/2. So in fact, 1/2 divided by 3 would equal 1/6.